Hi everybody, it's Mr. Clark again. So let's do exercise 7. So we can see here I've drawn the image, and I can see my two parallel lines, and it looks like I have a triangle. And this time I have three angles I'm looking for, angle J, K, and M. So we're going to do what we usually do, is extend those lines a little bit so it looks a little more like we're used to. I labeled them L1 and L2. And this time what I've done is I have changed the color a little bit. I tried to de-emphasize angle M, K, and the 46 in one side of that triangle. So I want you to focus just on the 92 and on the J. So if you look carefully at that, they're between L1 and L2, and they're on alternate sides. So it's an alternate interior angle. Okay? We can see that's alternate interior, and we know those are congruent. And so the measure of angle J is 92 degrees. Okay, so I'm going to just recopy the picture, fill that in. So the next thing I can see is that the 92 degrees angle K and the 46 degrees, and that forms an entire line here. So all those have to add up to be 180 degrees. Well, that's sweet. So now I can just solve for the measure of angle K quickly by subtracting 92 degrees and 46 degrees from 180. And so I get that answer, which is 42 degrees. So I'm happy with that. That wasn't too difficult. And now, so I'm going to fill it in again down here. And now I'm going to be looking here again. And so all I have really is angle M left. And if I look carefully, I can see that it's an alternate interior angle with the 46 degrees. And so those two are congruent. And so the measure of angle M is just 46 degrees. And we're done. We solved for all three of those angles. So let's just quickly go over, what did I do? Well, the first thing we did was just extend the lines, label them, and then I highlighted, I emphasized the J and the 92, and I could see that those were alternate interior angles. They were were between L1 and L2, so that was easy. I could find that one with that. This was a little tricky. I had to see that the 92, K, and 46 had to add up to be 180. So I could solve with the measure of angle K. And then again, I could see the angle M and the 46 were between parallel lines L1 and L2. So they're interior and they're on alternate sides. So that means they're congruent. And the measures are the same. All right, everybody. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye-bye.